Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Staying safe online is crucial, and Chrome's safe browsing feature helps protect you from dangerous websites, downloads, and scams. Here's how to make sure it's turned on. First, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open Settings. Next, select Privacy and Security from the left menu, then click Security. You'll see 3 levels of protection. Enhanced Protection, recommended proactive security with real-time threat detection. Standard Protection, basic security for everyday browsing. No Protection, not recommended, disables safe browsing. Choose Enhanced or Standard Protection based on your preference. Enhanced offers stronger security but may share limited data with Google. Pro tip, safe browsing works automatically. You don't need to do anything else once it's enabled. It'll warn you before you visit risky sites or download harmful files. Enable this to browse with confidence and keep your device secure. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple security tips. Thanks for watching.